I'm not supposed to be everybody's cup of tea. You know what I'm saying? Y'all might be Earl Grey. I might be hibiscus. You know? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So it is Saturday, the start of this vlog. I vlogged last night. So we're gonna do a little rewind, and here goes a glimpse of last night.
Scrub the ground, 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 scrub the ground. Don't stop it, shake that ass, scrub the ground. I didn't bring my wallet, I'ma dig, scrub the ground. Took it to the top, I say soup, scrub the ground.
Yeah, I'm gonna call y'all back out. So we did a surprise party for my friend. It was like a teeny bit older because she just turned 29. It's Saturday, like I said, and we're watching All's Fair. And I got on my Skims because I'm watching my girl Kim, you see. My husband in the back, hey, just hey. The show is good. The show is so good, y'all. While I got y'all here, let's do some unboxing because it seems like I'm always shopping, but let's just open this box from Amazon. Okay. This was a bit heavy, I'm not even gonna lie. I ain't even so okay, so we're gonna unbox this. It's nothing much. Oh girl, they supposed to do like this. Don't mind it. But yeah, last night was super fun. Luckily I wasn't out my body because I had just got off work, so that was good. Girl. We're having technical difficulties, delays. So I got some handcrafted glasses. And I'm gonna show these. I'm gonna just remove the box in a second. And then I got some new dishware because none of my dishes really just match. And I'm tired of that. Like, I'm getting too grown to be having these dishes that don't match. So we're going white for now. Not gonna lie, we might switch up later, but for now we're going white. And don't mind the hair, girl. I haven't even done it today at all. So, ooh, girl, it's a little heavy. Ooh, child. So yeah, this is, I'm assuming this is the dishes, which yes. And I'm gonna have them linked below. My Amazon storefront. Shop that, girl. Shop that. Sisters and brothers, because like I said, we got some brothers on here. So brothers, get these items for your girl. Christmas around the corner. Don't be a cheapskate. Be the best date. My neighbor texted me a few days ago. So my neighbor has a child, right? So she texted me the other day and said her child was like, that he seen a car in the yard or whatever, and was like, "Mommy, are they having a party again?" Like, we don't even have parties like that. Why are you saying that? It be the kids, man. It be the kids. So this is what it comes with. Y'all know nothing major. I told you, box inside of a box inside of a box. So now we finally, oh, they're not necessarily what I expected, but they still look good. They look like this. So I don't know if you can tell, but they have like little black beads. Like, think of vanilla bean ice cream. That's exactly how they look. I didn't know that, but hey, it's cute. It's cute. So I'm assuming this box is just for the bowls. I'm not going to take them all out yet because I'm going to put them in the dishwasher once I clear my dishwasher out. Type of material. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it's nice and big. Dinner is ready. These are cute. They are cute. And like I said, these are linked to my Amazon. But they're cute. So Amazon said they could be the white or the red glasses. I think personally, this could be both. Look at it. Like, it could be both. Okay. I'm gonna wash these as well before I put them up, but I just wanted to unbox them with y'all. They're nice. They're nice. I got to relax a little bit more. I have some work I need to do later, and then after that, I may go out with my friends. But I ain't gonna lie, girl, I don't want to go nowhere. It's like once I feel like personally, I went out last week. I went out yesterday. I want to sit in the house. So we'll see if I go out. But y'all know what I need to do is get this house Christmas ready. Because we set up the tree, but not set up the tree, if you know what I mean. The tree is up, but ain't nothing on the tree. The candles is lit, but it ain't no decor. The lights is on, but nobody's home. But yeah, so I'm going to catch y'all in the next clip. I'm going to relax for now, chill, then check back in. I'm going to call y'all back in a minute, okay? Hey, y'all. So it's Sunday, and I have a lot of work to do, but I just made me some coffee. It's that Nespresso, I think, that's in my storefront. I think that's the coffee brand. But it's so good, and it works real fast, honestly. But I have some things to do today. I have some treatment plans and some notes to do, so I'm going to do that before I go anywhere today. And where I'm really going to go, I'm not going to take y'all with me when I go like to Home Goods and stuff because I don't want my vlogs to be real repetitive. Like for the last couple of vlogs, I've been going shopping and it's like, okay, girl, what else do you do? So I'm going to show y'all what I get because y'all know my current projects are my office, my bedroom, and of course, Christmas, you know. But I still want to make this home still a home. So I'm going to show y'all the things I get. And then I'm also going to go to Bath and Body Works because I need to stock up on my candle. I have like a candle collection and right now it's barely any because I didn't use them all. So I'm going to do that and then of course cook, figure out what we're going to cook tonight. So I'm going to show y'all all of that, of course. Good morning, y'all. It's Monday. I really didn't vlog yesterday and Saturday. I don't think I vlogged Saturday either because I don't want my vlogs to be repetitive. Work has been having me face down, like literally. Not gonna lie. Like, work has been having me so stressed out. I had to do 96 monthly reviews because we have this new system in the practice and all of them got kicked out and some were needing to be done regardless. So the thing is about that, the private practice, the system setup is 25 pages each client. Reviewing each goal. Goals that aren't even active. So if you're wondering why I look like this, it's because the life is lifing, okay? Just to be honest, life is lifing for me, okay? And it's taking a toll on me. Like today I told myself I am not going to let this stuff get in my way of vlogging. But let me show y'all the candles I got. But wait, let me put on the whatchamacallit because I don't even have on. Yeah, hold on. So I'm back. So I'm about to show y'all the candles that I got from Bath and Body Works. But like I said, I don't want my vlogs to really be repetitive. But yes, girl, listen, I'm always shopping in a sense. I really haven't been doing this, but now I'm like, I don't just go to work to pay the bills, girl. I work to supply my needs, you know? I got these candles because, of course, I'm trying to stack up on candles. Like, that's kind of becoming my thing, to where I love when my house smelling good, especially since I have dogs. You have to make sure that your house smell good. You do not want your house smelling like dogs. Bath and Body Works ain't really doing what they need to do this year. Am I the only one that feel that way? Because where's the blueberry? It was like a blueberry Christmas scent. I have not seen that this year. I have not even seen the lotion. And then it was some other ones from back in the day, but they not doing what they need to do, and they need to get on it. Whoever on the team, okay? For real. But this is a form of self-care that I do. Is lately shopping has been like my form of self-care, just because I'm growing into this new woman. So even if it is repetitive, I'm not supposed to be everybody's cup of tea. You know what I'm saying? Everybody not supposed to drink out. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all might be Earl Grey. I might be hibiscus. You know? But I'm going to come back. We'll call y'all back in a few. Right now I'm finna work. I got like 5 appointments. I had all them treatment plans to do. Now I got to do some other treatment plans. It's just a busy little, you know what I'm saying? The holidays coming around. Oh, I do got a trip coming up. So. But yes, girl, I got a lot to do today. So hopefully this vlog isn't just bad. But sometimes you just got to be your authentic self. Your life ain't just always lit. So that's my affirmation, I guess, that I'm just telling myself now. But I'm going to chat with y'all in a few. Ciao for now.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over, tasted and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not fake. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. Try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. I'm thinking this side. Hey. Told me about all your insecurities, for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house, for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around, for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, yeah, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah. Why is this so funny? Oh yeah, oh yeah, just say it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You wanna get with me? Stop it. If you take me, I'll go even to the unknown, and I'll be right here, and I'll meet you there. You won't leave me alone, even in the unknown, and I'll be right here, and I'll meet you there. Yeah. I've been through the fire, I've been through the storm, seen a lot of love, I've seen a lot of war, took a lot of losses, then I took some more.
Okay, y'all, it's a lot of time later from when I made breakfast, coffee, all of that. Girl, this week has been super freaking busy. Like today, I'm about to go with my friend to help support her with her graduation shoot. When I come home, I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit more, okay? When I come home, we gonna chat. We gonna talk. We gonna see what's tea. I'm just calling y'all because I don't know what all I've recorded this week. It's been a busy week as far as work-wise. So if the vlog is a little bit choppy, where is we at? What day is it? I'd rather be consistent than not give y'all the content. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to start again next week. Fresh start. Y'all know I upload every Thursday at this point. But I'm going to just still give y'all this video. I don't know what this vlog consists of as I'm talking to y'all right now, but just know your girl is consistent and I'm trying, but work has been whooping my tail. I think I said it in a few videos back, but work has been whooping my tail from Saturday to Sunday to Monday to Tuesday. Now it's Wednesday. But y'all gonna get this vlog. Y'all gonna get this vlog whether I'm doing nothing or not. I'm submitting the vlog, okay? But yeah, I'm about to have this session. I think I just said that. And ciao for now. I'm gonna call y'all again because I'm about to start recording tomorrow. We got some things going on next week, girl. So thank y'all so much for watching. Ciao for now.